Good morning everyone, welcome to Monday Coffee with Jexo, where we scan through the last week's news and updates from across the Atlassian universe. I'm Nikki, co-founder of Jexo, a fast-growing marketplace partner building delightful project and product management apps for Jira Cloud. You can check out more about what we do on our website jexo.io. Today it's going to be only me delivering the news because Biro and our team are busy preparing for the PM72 Summit event that is starting today. So if you want to learn more about PM72 Summit, you can go to jexo.io/PM72. So let's start and have a look at our first news. We will kick off with improvements to Confluence. Now you will be able to assign and change the statuses of your pages. There are some out-of-the-box statuses you can use. So for example, there is an in-progress status, ready for review and so on, but you can also customize your own. We already talked about this feature when it was first announced a few months back, but now it's being rolled out to all customers and you can see it in your Confluence soon. The next feature that is being rolled out are Confluence emoji reactions. So up until now, you were able to, for example, like comments or pages in Confluence, but with the new emoji reactions, you can use any emoji that you can think of. Be it, for example, check emoji on the comment, or heart or fire emojis as a page reactions. So you can do it all. And as a bonus, you can also upload and use your own custom emojis, like you're, for example, used to in Slack. This is definitely a great feature that will make your Confluence pages more interactive and fun. In terms of the events that are happening this week, there aren't any official Atlassian events that we are aware of, but on the partner side, it's as busy as usual. So today we are starting with PM72 Summit, organized by us at Jexo. It's a 72 hours live stream of project management talks and discussions with great speakers from Atlassian, Accenture, Snyk, Appfire, Easy Agile, and many, many more. PM72 is a fundraising event for Malala Fund charity, and you can learn more about the event on jexo.io/PM72. On Wednesday, June 15, there are 3 more events happening. Easy Agile and Accenture organized a joint webinar where you can learn about navigating the ups and downs of Atlassian Cloud migration. And it's followed by Atlassian Cloud Migration Q&A by Price CPO Consulting and the event by E7 Solutions called Last Chance to Save on Atlassian Cloud. So it's a lot of cloud migration talks happening on Wednesday, but on Thursday we have another 2 webinars also related to migrations. So the first one is Successful Atlassian Cloud Migration by Expium, and What's New in Atlassian Cloud and How to Plan for a Successful Migration by NimaWorks. So have a look at Google Calendar for more information about these events and registration links. And speaking of the events, the official date and lineup of Fail Tales is out. Fail Tales is an event celebrating failure and psychological safety in the teams. There are 3 amazing speakers with inspiring stories from the Atlassian community: Matt, Anita, and Ashley. And looking at the topics, they cover a wide range of things from Jira migrations to organizing the event. The vibe of the event is informal, so you are encouraged as an attendee to unmute and ask questions along the way if you want. So add the event to the calendar and join on 26th of June to listen to the Fail Tales. And last update about the new features before we move to the article of the week. The Atlas team created this announcement to keep us in the loop with the latest changes to Atlas. One of the most interesting ones are team kudos. You can send a thank you note to your team members and show your appreciation. Kudos are one of the great ways to keep your team engaged and happy. You can also follow the teams, not only people in Atlas now, so you can stay up to date with the team's work and progress in Atlas. There are also a couple of more smaller improvements to filters and links, so do have a look at the post if you are using Atlas so you're up to date. And last, we have the article of the week, and this time I would like to share this great resource I found talking about perceptions versus reality and how our assumptions influence the way we think, work, and collaborate. The Atlassian ran the research amongst 503 people from different teams, industries and found interesting insights. What I like about this study is how it compares the expectations and thoughts of C-level members with teams themselves. So for example, 86% of C-level members think that teams are less productive if they work in different locations. But on the other hand, only 30% of workers do agree with this statement. Or, majority of C-level members think that teams should define their own responsibilities, but majority of workers expect this to be defined by their manager. These misalignments cause confusion and frustration. Making sure that everyone is aware of these differences is a great starter for the communication and solving the core issues in your teams and company. So do have a look at the report. There are also other interesting stats that you might find useful. And that's about it for the news about Atlassian. I hope that you enjoyed watching Monday Coffee with Jexo, whether you're watching us live or recorded later. And just a reminder, links for all the topics we discussed today are linked in the description, so don't forget to check them out. I hope to see you all on PM72 today, and until then, have a great week.